These are the ingredients. They will also be in the description box below. First, measure out the water. Then weigh out the sugar and the yeast.
I wake up when I die, and it is too late to climb any mountain.
Stir it together.
Time is of the essence, the blood running through our core. It's best to not feel sorry when it's over.
Whilst it is sitting, we weighed out the dry ingredients of flour and salt.
Eternal.
And sieved it.
Eternal.
Once the yeast mixture is frothy, add it to the dry ingredients in a mixer.
Eternal.
Using a dough hook, knead for 10 minutes.
Sometimes
Leave the dough to rise in the mixer for 1 to 1.5 hours. This is what it should look like. Scrape the dough out onto a well-floured surface.
just keep your faith and search for the fountain. Time is of the essence, the blood running through our core. It's best to not feel sorry.
Roll each piece of dough out to the size you want your pizzas to be.
Greatest that you ever seen before, and I'll say eternal.
Add the toppings to your pizzas. This is the final product. Enjoy baking!